Hello, my name is Eric and I am a technical support engineer here at Infinite. Welcome to part 1 of our 4-part video series on surveys. This first video will cover how to create a survey. The first step is to log into your account from the InphoniteVoice Windows app. Once you have signed in, you will want to find your Art of Chat features and click on the large surveys icon here. Next, you would select New at the bottom. After clicking New, a page will pull up with the survey settings. Enter your survey name at the top. Next, you can decide if you'd like your survey to allow multiple retakes here. If you do not want to allow multiple retakes, you can fill out the box under it with the message to be stated if the survey has already been completed. Design mode we will keep activated for now. This is what allows you to create, change, or edit your survey. This setting impacts your speed, so you'll want to set a reminder to change this setting in a few days. Next, fill out the survey title, which will show up at the top of the survey. You can choose to fill out the survey description or leave it blank. If it is filled out, it will be displayed under the title in the survey. The options under conversational surveys are for surveys over text messages. Here you can add what to reply if someone needs help from an operator. You can also have an alert triggered through Art of Chat with the Triggers Art of Chat Alert setting. The box under that is what you would reply with if someone requests the survey link instead. This sends the link to the user so that they can complete the survey from a web browser in place of the text. The last box is what to reply if the user unsubscribes. After your settings are in place, you can click Save at the bottom, then Design located here. For this video, we are creating a simple survey with yes or no responses and requesting an email address. To add your first question, you can click Add New Question here. A new question box will appear, which you will enter your first question into. After you have the question filled out, click the Response tab here. You have a variety of different response options available. For this question, we will select yes or no for our response type. If we want to require them to answer this question, we will select the required checkbox. Otherwise, the user can skip the question. Click Done located here after you have finished your settings. Now that we are done with the first question, we will add a new question to obtain the person's email address. Just like before, we will enter the question, then we will click the Response tab. This time, however, we will enter the expected response as email address. Because we are asking for an email address, and that is considered private information, we will not require them to reply. However, if they do reply, we want to confirm they are supplying an email address. We will therefore select Validate Response here. This will confirm that the email address they enter is formatted correctly with an @ symbol and .com, .net, .org, or any of the others used. Selecting Validate Response will also open another option where you will enter your response message if an invalid email was entered. You can add as many questions and responses as you would like. After you're done setting up your question and response options, select Done located here. Then you can select Save at the bottom. Congratulations, your survey has been successfully created. This concludes part 1 of our survey series, How to Create a Basic Survey. In part 2 of our survey video series, we will show you how to add your survey to an automated text message using our written designer and how to send it out when you are ready. Thank you for joining us for this quick walkthrough. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our customer service portal for more technical support resources.